This video is about the sperm view of the human body. The sperm view of the human body is a theoretical model of the human body that was created for happy theory. Happy theory is a collection of information and ideas about the construction and behavior of the human body. A sperm is a male reproductive cell. This picture shows a group of real sperm. A sperm consists of a section called the head, a section behind the head called the body, and a section behind the body called the tail. The sperm view of the human body treats the human body as if it is a large sperm centered on the human body as shown in this picture. The head of the sperm matches to the head of the human body, the body of the sperm matches to the torso of the human body, and the tail of the sperm matches to the legs of the human body. The purpose of treating the human body as a large sperm is to use the simple characteristics of a sperm to help explain the complex construction and behavior of the human body. One of the characteristics of a sperm would be its shape. The shape of the entire human body is similar to the characteristic shape of a sperm, as can be seen in this comparison picture. There are many other areas of the human body whose shape is also similar to the shape of a sperm. This picture shows a human body with the arms wide and the legs slightly spread. If an outline is drawn around one of the arms and the same side of the chest, the shape that is created looks similar to the shape of a sperm. If an outline is drawn around one of the legs and the same side buttock, the shape that is created is also similar to the shape of a sperm. The similarities of shape between the human body and a sperm are not just visually interesting, but intellectually meaningless similarities. The implication of some area of the human body having a shape similar to the shape of a sperm is that those areas of the human body would also exhibit other characteristics of a sperm. Another characteristic of a sperm would be the way that a sperm moves. As shown in this animation, a sperm moves with a wave-like motion. It seems reasonable to speculate that if some part of the human body is shaped like a sperm, then that part of the human body might also move like a sperm. That speculation would be correct. According to happy theory, the sperm-shaped entire human body, the sperm-shaped arm and chest combination, and the sperm-shaped leg and buttock combination can all move with the characteristic wave-like movement of a sperm. This animation demonstrates what the entire sperm-shaped human body would look like if it was moving with the characteristic wave-like motion of a sperm. Treating the human body as if it has the ability to move with the characteristic wave-like motion of a sperm can help with understanding various exercise and movement systems for the human body. It can help with understanding how the human body develops health problems, and it can be used to understand how health problems of the human body should be treated. The full implications of treating the human body as if it possesses the characteristics of a sperm cannot be demonstrated with the sperm view of the human body shown in this picture. Alternative versions of the sperm view of the human body have been created that are used to demonstrate other ways that the characteristics of a simple sperm can be used to explain the construction and behavior of the complex human body. One alternative version of the sperm view of the human body replaces the single large sperm in the center of the body with one large sperm on each half of the body, as shown in this picture. This alternate version of the sperm view of the human body is more accurate in portraying the real-life construction and behavior of the human body because it has the ability to portray behaviors where each half of the human body is behaving differently from the other half of the human body. The next alternative version of the sperm view of the human body treats the human body as if it is composed of an infinite number of infinitely small sperms whose heads are all located on the human head and whose tails travel to and through the rest of the body, as demonstrated in this picture, which uses just a few sperms for clarity. The single sperm version of the sperm view of the human body can only portray the entire human body as one large unit, while the two sperm version of the sperm view of the human body can only portray each half of the human body as a unit. The infinite sperm version of the sperm view of the human body is even more accurate in portraying the construction and behavior of the human body because it can portray small-scale behaviors located anywhere in the human body. The infinite sperm version of the sperm view of the human body is especially useful in discussing the development and treatment of health problems of the human body and in visualizing and explaining how the systems of medicine known as acupuncture and acupressure work. The final alternative version of the sperm view of the human body is based on this picture of sperms fertilizing an egg. Many different sperms are attempting to penetrate the egg from many different angles. The first three versions of the sperm view of the human body all located the heads of the sperms on the human head. Since the movement of a sperm begins at the head, the implication of the first three versions of the sperm view of the human body is that all movement or stimulation of the human body begins at the head and travels down to the rest of the body. The human body does not behave like that in real life. In real life, any area of the human body can be the center of movement or stimulation. That movement or stimulation would then spread outwards in all directions to the rest of the body. The fertilizing egg version of the sperm view of the human body provides a way to visualize movement or stimulation that originates anywhere on the human body, then spreads outwards to the rest of the body. This ability makes the fertilizing egg version of the sperm view of the human body the most accurate of all of the versions of the sperm view of the human body in portraying the construction and behavior of the human body. For example, this picture shows the human body and the fertilizing egg version of the sperm view of the human body. If the center of some movement or stimulation of the human body was on the leg, the heads of the sperms of the fertilizing egg version of the sperm view of the human body would be placed at that location on the leg. Since the movement of a sperm starts at the head and moves down the tail, the implication of this picture is that the center of the movement must be where the heads of the sperm are located on the leg, and the movement or stimulation travels outwards from that location on the leg to the rest of the entire body. This video has introduced the original version of the sperm view of the human body and three alternate versions of the sperm view of the human body. One alternate version used two sperms originating at the head, another alternate version used multiple sperms originating at the head, and a third alternate version of the sperm view of the human body used multiple sperms radiating out from a common center that can originate on any part of the human body. The alternate versions of the sperm view of the human body all improve on the original version of the sperm view of the human body in some way that enables them to more accurately portray the construction and behavior of the human body than the original version of the sperm view of the human body.